and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the next in the Bichos or the Bugs collection. This time guys, it's none other than the Cuervo Volante Exotico or the exotic flying Stag Beetle. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like these bugs, be sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or in English, Bugs. And of course guys, this is none other than the Cuervo Volante Exotico, or the Flying Stag Beetle in English. And he looks really cool. And here it says, learn everything about the flying beetles. Let's open this up. Here guys, it gives a little description about them. It talks a bit about their habitat, and it gives some general observations about them. And it shows you piece by piece all of the parts of the bug in the slide, which I will show you in just a moment, guys. And here in the side we see the scientific classification for these insects. And well, let's continue on, guys. These guys are cool. They're like purplish. Let's continue on. A very hard armor. So they have a hard exoskeleton. Very cool. And here it just shows you more in depth all of the parts of this insect, which is pretty cool. And here it shows you the different beetles that are located around the world. The different beetles, the different flying beetles, I should say. So they have these in the US, and this in Argentina and around, it seems. And then these other ones in different locations. They kind of all look the same, except for they're like, the only difference I really see, other than like this one is purple and the other ones are black, is the length of their mandibles. But other than that, they're kind of uniform. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? And up here, it gives some of their main habitats. Here it talks about how they grow, and evidently they grow a bit different than most other beetles, which it discusses here in great length. These are cool. They're like fighting. Rawr. And guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this collection? I really like to hear what you guys think. I think it's really cool. And I love doing the unboxings of the like really pretty ones, like the shiny ones. If you're interested in seeing those guys, make sure to check out the playlist located in the end of this video. I have all of the bugs unboxings that I've done, and in that playlist, it includes the really super pretty ones that are like crazy sparkly and holographic and stuff. So make sure to check that out. And guys, of course, make sure to leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new bug. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here we have our exotic flying stag beetle. He looks really cool. You can see all of his legs, his antennae, and even his pinchers there in the front. And well, let's see the side of him. You can see even a bit more his pinchers, his legs. There you can see maybe a bit like his little eyes. That's really cool. And there's his side there. His back. And then there you have his underside. He looks really, really awesome. You guys tell me, what do you guys think about him down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing what you guys think. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Janeiro. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. You know. I will have his links down in the description below. Well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.